guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Peter Gay and you're watching Peter Gay's Passion. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the family. For all my old subscribers, welcome back to another DIY project. So in today's video, I will be making some floating shelves in my kitchen. They're going to be going right on this wall. I'm going to make about 3 of them from here going all the way up about 30 inches long or so. That's what I'll be doing today. I'm not going to talk too much, so let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm getting all my wood and just assembling them to make the frame for my shelves. Okay guys, here are all 3 of my frames, so now I'm just going to mount them to the wall. Right here I'm just finding my studs just because I will be putting my microwave up here, so I want to make sure that these shelves are super duper strong. So I know you guys can't really see because I am blocking the camera right here, but basically what I'm doing is I'm just using my my drill to screw those screws into the stud that you guys saw me mark earlier. I'm truly sorry about me blocking the camera, but right here I'm actually screwing the frame. I'm trying to get to the windowsill, like trying to screw it into the windowsill, and there's another stud to the right over here that I'm trying to catch with my really long screw, just because there's only one stud right in the middle, and like I said, I want these shelves to be strong, and I'm trying to catch all the studs that I possibly can. Right here, however, I am just marking where I want the next shelf to start. I think I marked it up to 12, or maybe it was 13 or 14 or so inches. So that's what I did, and I'm just stacking these boxes up just to act as like a second hand to hold my shelves up, because doing this by yourself and trying to hold everything and trying to get all your tools and everything, like it's just a lot. So I just made like a makeshift helper just to help me out. So yeah. Okay guys, so right here you just see me adding brackets to the second shelf because my microwave will be going on that shelf, and I just want it to be very strong. And of course I'm screwing my brackets into the studs. So the next step is to cover over your 2x4s with whatever wood you choose to use. I'm using I think this is sanded plywood, but the really thin one, but you can use MDF, or if you have another preference, just do whatever you want to do. And then I'll just be nailing it in with my nail gun. Alright guys, so here I'm just adding my wood putty to all the cracks, and I'm also going to put it in all the holes where I use my nail gun. I also decided to remove that third shelf and just have two up there just because I think it looks just nicer, and I did remove two of the other supports. And I just kept the one in the middle because again, I thought it looked cleaner and nicer. Once my putty is dry, I just used my hand sander and I just sanded down the whole thing. I think I only went over this once in 220 just because the wood is already smooth. I just didn't want to over sand it, but yeah, I just went over it in 220, and that's what I'm doing to both shelves. So for the stain on the shelves, first I'm going to be doing two things. First, I'm going to be using Minwax Early American just to put over it because this is what I had at home. I didn't want to go out and buy anything for this. So I did that, and then I went over it with Behr's paint in dark truffle but a satin finish. So I did two things. I did Minwax Early American, and then I did Behr paint in dark truffle and satin finish. And then just like blended them together. And then after I do that, I will be adding a satin polyurethane just to seal everything in. But I literally just dab my paper towel in the paint or the stain, whichever one I'm working with at the moment, and just rub it on there, and then I just blended them in together. Please excuse all the dust that's all over me, but I'm also working with drywall, so this is not the only project that I'm doing at the same time, so that's why there's so much dust over me. So sorry for that, and please excuse it. went out to Home Depot and I bought this electrical outlet cover plate thingy. I'm not sure exactly what it's for, but I figured this would work just to put here because I did make a hole cut out in the bottom of the shelf just so the microwave cord can come through here. So I plan on putting this like here, but before I do that, I want to go ahead and spray paint this because I feel like the white will make it won't look nice now that it's all stained in that dark brown color. So I'm just going to spray paint this real quick. And I have Satin Espresso spray paint. So this is what I'll be using. I'm doing this inside my house because it is late at night and I'm not about to go outside right now. So, yeah. Okay guys, so this is the hole that I will be covering with this cover plate. So the diameter of the drill bit that I had was only 1 inch thick, and the hole I needed it to be, I didn't know it was going to be like bigger. I should have gotten like a 2-inch diameter bit, but I just made the 1 inch work and just like made a bunch of different holes, so it kind of looks messy. If I had just gotten the right one in the first place and did like a nice clean cut hole, then I would be fine, but I'm just going to do this instead. I'm just going to go ahead and drill this in real quick. That way it covers, hopefully it'll cover the mess here. Okay guys, so I'm completely done with the shelves and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. I just added some decor, just a clock, some flowers. Of course, I put the microwave up there and a little container there, but I do plan on putting like bananas and like my fruit. That will be my fruit bowl. So that's why that's there. But overall, it looks absolutely amazing. In person, it looks way better than what you're seeing here on camera. And with the shelves, with that color paint on the wall, it makes the shelves pop more, so it looks really nice. There it is. Still not done with my kitchen. Not done with my kitchen, but at least this part's done, and I feel very good that this part's done, and I'm getting closer and closer with every project that I complete. By the way, you guys will see my other projects where I do the paint, I do all of that, so this is just one part of my whole kitchen that I wanted to show you guys. So you will see the other parts in upcoming videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for another series in my kitchen renovation. So thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.